Hello guys, welcome back to Mehron's YouTube channel. For this tutorial, we're going to be creating a 3D illusion like we had a hole on our forehead with tore up skin. So we're going to start by mapping the shape first using the Espresso Intense Pigment from the Mehron Makeup palette. Once you're finished creating the desired shape, we're gonna grab the black paint and we're gonna start filling in that hole in the middle. And remember guys, take your time because black is very tricky, and if you mess up, you're gonna have to redo everything. So take your time, make sure everything is painted correctly, and just go slow. Now we're gonna go back to that espresso shade and we're gonna start intensifying those lines to make them more visible. But since I didn't like the shape I mapped first, I decided to create them again and intensify them. Using the white paint, we're gonna fill in every part of the skin. Take your time, go slow, make every line perfect, fill everything correctly, and just take your time. Now we're gonna go back to those pigments and we're gonna grab the lightest shade of brown called Cinnamon, and we're gonna start creating those shadows. We are gonna grab the black pigment and we're gonna start intensifying those shadows so the illusion looks a little bit more 3D. Now, as the last step, we're gonna grab the intense pigment in the color Cinnamon and we're gonna start coloring or filling in the white spaces so you can create more depth. And now you are done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.